Beldar. Beldar. Beldar, what are you doing?
Eldar.
Beldar. Beldar. What are you, are you sneaking up now?
He's a creeping.
Look at that big nose.
You wanna know what's big on this dog?
His big bullet head.
Everything. His nose is too big, his ears are too big. He's got this monstrous knot. Of course, we're not quite sure what that is. His paws are too big, his legs are too long, his body's too long, and they cut his nubber a length too long. He's our too long dog. Everything about him is too long.
Uh-oh. There's Sissy.
Here comes Sissy Jealous.
What are you doing? What are you doing up here?
The only thing that isn't long about Beldar are his thoughts.
What are you doing, Rox? What are you doing, old man?
Princess.
Hi, Beldar.
Trunks. Would you like to videotape what Beldar did to Mama?
Feed me. You did that.
Pretty princess. Hi, pretty girl.